magnet program here at South Seminole Academy is called Leadership Law and Advanced Studies. And the main thing students can benefit from is they learn that they have a voice and they learn how to use their voice through our leadership classes. And then they can actually use their voice in classes, the advanced studies in the law program. We get real-world scenarios, whether they're criminal or civil scenarios, and then they write their own mock trials, and then they perform it in the courtroom, and they perform the roles of judge, jury, and attorney. We also do different things because we have 3 different classes. So the first one is legal studies, and one thing they do is they learn to write an advocacy letter for a rule change for the Seminole County School District. And so they practice writing an old-fashioned letter and then presenting it in like a mock school district meeting in our courtroom. They did the same thing, was that they wrote a law that might help something in their community, and then they did like a mock city council hearing. So when they have a scenario, a lot of times we just do debates in the courtroom, like current legal, whatever legal issues are coming up, and they pick a side, and they're really using those critical thinking skills and the skills from ELA, how to write a claim, how to make inferences, and how to make, use evidence and reason through it to support their claim, and also to persuade the jury or the judge. And just not for that, but when they come in, it works on their communication skills, and they work as a team, so they're put on legal teams, so they have to advocate for whatever side they are, plaintiff or defendant, or prosecutor or defendant, and they really get to work on their public speaking skills.
When I'm like talking to other teachers about grades or any assignments there, it's really helped me because now that I've been practicing with my public speaking, I'm not shy, my confidence is boosted.
My classroom's different than all the other classrooms. They come in and it's a professional environment. My classroom's set up with conference tables so they can naturally collaborate and be broken up into teams. And then they come over and they get to present in a real courtroom, in the real courtroom setting, and take on those roles. They're learning those skills, whether they're critical thinking skills, or writing skills, those communication skills, and then in the law we can put them in real world situations, whether it's in the trial or hearings, or we're looking at legal issues. They can really see, what's going on, and they can make their opinions, and then they can make their opinions to present them effectively. And the idea is that they'll go out in their community and they will attend those city council meetings, they will run for office, and that they're comfortable and have done those things here in the courtroom and in our classroom here, and then go out and be able to be productive in their community.